Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Chevy Trax. First, gather all your necessary supplies, including a new oil filter, about 5 quarts of the correct engine oil, a drain pan, and a wrench. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a flat surface and the engine has cooled down. This ensures safety and prevents burns. Locate your oil fill cap and dipstick so they are ready for the next steps. Now it's time to drain the old oil. Position your drain pan directly beneath the oil pan's drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to start flowing immediately. Allow all the old, dirty oil to drain completely into the pan. This process usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes, so be patient and let it all come out. With the old oil drained, remove the old oil filter and install the new one. Make sure to hand tighten it firmly. Next, reinstall the drain plug, ensuring it's snug to prevent any leaks. Now, carefully pour the new engine oil into the oil fill cap opening. Add about 4.5 to 5 quarts, then check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct. Finally, start your engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil. Turn it off. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, and then recheck the oil level with the dipstick. Top off if necessary. Also, inspect under the vehicle for any signs of leaks around the drain plug or filter. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.